I'm alive. Hey, what's up guys, Alex here. Thank you for checking this video and welcome back or welcome back to me. I think the last video I uploaded was almost 2 months ago. I've been in this massive hiatus that I'm not sure I'm gonna end soon, but I wanted to just make this quick vlog just to let you know what I've been doing, why I haven't uploaded a video in such a long time, and how is my life going. So let's jump right into it. First of all, I stopped doing videos because I'm very busy with my work. If you don't know, I started in March working for Thunderbird, the Mozilla project, like email client similar to Firefox, and it's been great, very challenging, very difficult, and I think that's one of the main reasons why I haven't uploaded a video in such a long time, because the type of work is really demanding. I code a lot the whole day. I do also design, and since it's an open source project, the process and workflow, it's something that I've always wanted to do. It's something that I've been looking for my entire life. So now that I'm working on something like that, I feel kind of really satisfied of what I'm doing. That's why I'm not seeking as much as I was before, like other type of project or side projects, or seeking my personal hobbies or stuff like that. That's why I don't have that drive to do more videos, because I'm pretty satisfied with my work. The other reasons why I stopped publishing videos in not really specific orders are I've been focusing a lot on Akira, the UX design application. I don't really like the direction of WordPress. I don't like doing Gutenberg tutorials. I'm really tired recently. I don't have the energy at the end of the day to sit in front of the computer and record. And one of the other main reasons actually is that I noticed that all my hobbies, everything that I do, everything that I've always done is always in front of a monitor. I work all day. I work almost like an average of 10 to 11 hours per day, and I sit in front of my computer. I stare at the monitor all day. Then I have a hobby of digital painting, and I do it, of course, in front of my Cintiq Wacom tablet, so another monitor. The other hobby is making a Linux application, open source application. I do it in front of a computer. The other hobby is creating tutorials for WordPress or tutorials for anything else, doing a YouTube channel, doing it in front of a computer. So it's recording, editing, everything is in front of a computer. I don't have a single hobby that doesn't involve staring at the screen. And it's not really healthy. It's not good for my brain, it's not good for my eyesight, and I'm kind of slightly sick of it. That's why I've been looking for different hobbies and trying to focus on doing something that doesn't involve a monitor, a computer. That's why I started playing again Dungeons and Dragons, and this t-shirt, it's awesome. It's not a sponsored anything, but I love this t-shirt about all the dice in Dungeons and Dragons. But I started doing that because it literally involves, you can play Dungeons and Dragons by reading a book and writing on paper. And I've been playing consistently over the weekend for the past 2 months, and it's great. I love it. I enjoyed it so much, and I don't really have the need or like the anxiety level of, oh my god, I have to do a tutorial because otherwise something's bad is gonna happen. I'm really enjoying my time not sitting in front of a computer. So yeah, that's the thing. I don't know when I'm gonna start uploading the tutorials again, but most likely in a week or two, because I'm trying to find a different type of balance. So first of all, I'm trying to avoid stats at all costs. I know, like, this is a weird segue, it doesn't relate to what I was saying before, but another reason why I stopped uploading tutorials is because of the new YouTube Studio version, like the administration area, the dashboard that you use after you upload a YouTube video. I don't know if you use it, if any of you is using this new version, but it's terrible. everything is wired, everything is designed to make you feel bad about your videos. Every time you upload a video, it's immediately compared to the previous 10 videos you uploaded, and everything is stats based, so you get always negative stats. I don't know why. Even if a video, it seems like it's doing pretty well, it's always negative compared to something that you uploaded before. You get less engagement. You like it's really overwhelming with all these red arrows pointing down and all these negative stats. It's not really rewarding. It's not really accommodating. It's like, it feels really weird. So it's just, even the last little will of making videos pretty much gets crushed by the negative feedback that I'm getting by YouTube. And also ad revenues are going down and all this kind of stuff. So yeah, it's kind of a bummer. But as I said, I'm gonna start uploading videos again at a way lesser pace. Like before, I used to upload like 3-4 videos per week. Now I'm gonna try to focus on 1 video per week, and I'm gonna try to finish the Gutenberg tutorial series and then probably take a break from WordPress because I don't like it. I don't like it anymore. It's really weird. Everything is changing and I don't like the direction. I'm gonna focus way more on Linux, on open source applications, on Vala and GTK tutorials. I'm gonna focus on server setup and some JavaScript as well. And most likely, because I'm working on that pretty much every day, so I'm gaining all this knowledge that I want to share, I want to do some tutorials about Firefox and Thunderbird, about the source code, how to build extension, or how to hack Thunderbird to help us make it better, because it's a great project and everyone should work on it, but whatever, it's an open source project, so it's fantastic. But other than that, another thing that I'm gonna focus a lot is Akira. Akira, the Linux design application that I've been working on with other 2 developers, it's so close to be released as an alpha, and hopefully we will release it before the end of the year. So I'm gonna do some live streaming of some live coding about Akira, and that's it. Anyway, quick update. I'm sorry, I've been missing in action a lot, but I'm alive, I'm well, I'm doing a lot of things, and I will try to get back to the channel as soon as possible. If you still subscribe, thank you so much. If you're seeing this video for the first time, welcome. I'm sorry if it looks like a dead channel. Kinda is, but it's not gonna be for much longer, hopefully. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this weird video, and hopefully I will talk to you soon. Other than that, happy coding.